This is the master bath. Got a big mirror there. Pedestal sink. And this little toilet. The designer toilet, it sits really low. The tape on the wall is where the new toilet, the back of the toilet, will be that high. Oh, I've been putting it off. And I've been putting off the other bathroom, but gotta do it. You are now looking inside the brand new toilet tank. It's not installed yet. I'm still taking it out of the box. Well, things are going to perk up. I wish I had another body or a person to film me putting the toilet in, but I don't. Could strap a camera to the cat, but he'd probably go off and eat. Eine kleine Toilettenmusiker. Rest in peace, old toilet. Hello, new toilet. It's filling up. I had a problem with the supply hose down there. It wouldn't turn off. So I had to put a bucket under it. Oh gosh. I tell you, I've had so much problems doing this simple thing. Hot damn. Woohoo! It's taken me a while because I did it all myself and I had to clean up all the gunk that was down there to begin with. I don't know if I'll get any more done today, but at least I'll have a nice toilet, brand new toilet. So even if I'm in the process of working on the other bathroom, at least I have some place to go. And we all need some place to go. Like upward and onward.